I'm bringing you summer vibes from my kitchen with this Mediterranean-inspired fish bake and veg medley. When thinking of the Mediterranean, you think of bright, fresh flavours. So I'm using a green pepper and red onion. Slice into wedges and separate some of the pieces like petals. Potatoes are great with fish. And juicy cherry tomatoes. No need to chop these, just scatter these in. A generous sprinkle of salt and pepper and some dried oregano, rosemary and thyme. Glug in some extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar for an intense tang. Mix all these delicious flavours together. Now pop your veg into the oven around 200 degrees Celsius until fully cooked through. If you want more Bangin recipes, then follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fizah's Bangin Recipes. The best thing about this dish is you can use any fish of your choice. If you love salmon, use salmon in this dish. I'm using a local white fish. Take your fillets of fish and place them flat in a baking dish. Season with freshly ground black pepper. This fish is already salty, so I'm not going to add any salt to this. Squeeze in some lemon juice and splash in some olive oil. Now we're going to move on to the breadcrumb topping for the fish. I'm using two different types of breadcrumbs. One is very fine and the other is Japanese panko, which are large and sharp breadcrumbs for a crunchy texture. And grate some lime or lemon zest. Now add some sun-dried tomatoes to give it another level of flavour. Mix all that up really well and add some crushed black pepper. Now let's top the fish with the breadcrumb mix. Now you can leave it like this, but I'm a cheese fanatic thanks to my mum, so I'm going to add some grated cheddar cheese on top. Of course, more black pepper. Now this is optional, but if you have put cheese on top, splash a little bit of milk and it'll make the cheese more creamy. This goes into the oven at 200°C for 7 minutes. It will vary depending on what fish you use. Just don't overcook it, as this will dry out the fish. My veg is also ready. The tops are crispy and gnarly and the insides are soft and caramelized. And that's my Bangin fish bake and veg medley.